Hey guys, just hanging out in the backyard with the cats, looking at all the last probably week of our flowers, maybe 2 weeks left, then they'll be gone. This is one of my favorite bushes here. It is, I think I call it a burning bush, but I think it's just called a redwood, or I always forget the name of it, but it's just one of my favorite because at this time of the year it just gets this beautiful bright red color, and it's got that dark green behind it because they haven't been affected by the sun yet. I guess they're being shaded maybe. Very cool. So today was just hanging out with the cats. I went up and bought some cat food, went to the bank. Have a few more things to do. It's Friday afternoon, and just checking out this new camera. Surprise! I think I already told you guys about the camera, and this is going to be my first vlog just using this camera. It's definitely different than using the Sony white cameras. Had to add a microphone to the top. If I can find a mirror, I guess I could get out my cell phone, and then what I'll do, get out the cell phone and flip it, and I'll videotape. There we go. So that is my rig right there, videotaping myself, videotaping. It's a great little camera. It's got this little tripod on the bottom. Hoping everything's in focus. Let's have the fold-out screen. This is the Canon M50. Putting the mic on top. I'd like to try it without a mic like this, just to see what the sound is like, because I prefer to be a little bit less profile than this. This is quite big, although it's definitely smaller than some of the other cameras that I've bought in the past. Let's shut this off for a second and see where Ninja went. The black cat disappears very easily. Where'd he go? Where did he go? Ninja! He's so sneaky. Gotta put that stuff away. Sunny was over here. Yeah, I gotta do some cat rescuing. Now let's check out some B-roll. Just for you. Sunny. She was wandering over this way, and Ninja is just around that corner. Again, hard to see. Black cat with this lens. He just disappears into the darkness. But he is around the corner right there. Hey Sunny, how are you? You want to say hello, people? Huh? Want to say hello? Found Ninja in the shadow right there. You can barely see him. Let's zoom in. That's another good thing about this camera. It's got a bit of a zoom. I can touch the back screen here to focus on what I want it to focus on. But other than that, it does, I think, a half decent job at focusing. There you go. I'm not doing anything. Just seeing, going from, I'm all the way zoomed in too, so if you're zoomed out, it should focus on things pretty quick, I think. So the whole zoom in part, that's pretty good focus. I'm like 5 inches, maybe 6 inches away from that flower. I wonder how close we can get. Lots more experimenting with this camera. Ninja's found some crickets. He's doing his cat thing. Killing crickets. Ninja! Keep hiding. Doesn't like when I point a camera at him. Let's see if we can sneak around. Ninja! So we tore the deck down. I'm not sure if you guys, how new you are to my channel or not, but we tore this deck completely down because it was falling apart, because we don't know what exactly we're going to do with this area yet. We'll probably put a new deck, but it's going to be much bigger. We'll be having some type of, so we have an awning up here, which is great in the summertime. You put that out, it stops the heat of the sun coming in. But we're going to be doing some extra work to this house. And yeah, it's going to look super awesome when we're done.